Scanning solutions for every space. Brady's portfolio of handheld and fixed scanners are designed for your industrial needs. Powered by innovative Cortex decoder technology, our scanners provide near zero miss accuracy and decode data the competition can't. Brady's Handheld series is packed with high-performance, versatile features. Rigorously tested to meet your demands over and over again, their rugged construction and dual-field optics can handle it all. These scanners go from out of the box to first scan in seconds. They're easy to set up and highly customizable. Swap out wired connections without the need for tools, and a mounting point makes workspaces work for you. Go wireless and get on the move. A large Bluetooth range and full shift battery life lets you easily adapt to any workflow. Add an onboard keypad and display, and you can change settings and functions on the fly. Capture inventory batches and store data for later. Enhance your wireless scanning with advanced connectivity. Pair with an industrial protocol cradle and connect to PLCs and industrial networks. Brady's Fixed series connects your operations to automate processes and keep work moving. Scan dirty, damaged, and distorted barcodes with ease. Leverage a compact, straightforward solution and capture low and high density barcodes quickly and accurately. Boost your efficiency for high-speed scanning and hard-to-read surfaces. A powerful global shutter and multiple built-in illumination options allow you to read even the most challenging codes. Long or varied distances? No problem. High-resolution zoom and autofocus capabilities extend your scanning reach, no matter the size, contrast, or orientation. Scanning solutions for every space. To learn more about Brady's portfolio of scanners, visit our website.